Hey guys, it's WADZ with the WADZ Up channel. Thanks again for joining me today. Today we're out at Steve Lake and we're with Jake back there. Jake, say hi.
What's up?
And we're doing some boot testing here. We're doing some testing on the Leatt 3.5. There she is right there. Jake's got the Osset 20.0. We're having a lot of fun with that, and Jake's had some, MX boots in the past, some Thor and some Fox. So now we're moving up to the Leatt 3.5, a lot more protection. What do you think of the boots so far, Jake?
I think they're really comfortable, and like if you ever go skiing, you'll have those really difficult clips. I think these are really easy because you can just put this guy in here and just clip them. Really easy to put on, and they're really comfortable. And when you're riding, they're a little bit waterproof. If you always go in like muddy areas, you won't get your feet wet.
Right.
So that's another good thing about them.
How are they for comfort?
If you fall down, they protect your feet and they're really comfortable. I like the design on them a lot. They look really cool.
It's a bit of a juggling act when you're designing boots for youth and kids. You got to have a boot that is comfortable enough to wear for a long time. You've got to have the boot that's comfortable enough to operate the bike, smaller feet, but it's also got to have that level of protection that you're looking for. And I know those are all things that you may just say are givens, but I think a lot of manufacturers, they really miss the boat on that. So I think Leatt's done a really nice job here. It's a balance, I guess what I'm really trying to say. They have found a balance between comfort and protection. The inner liner is a full polyester textile lining, easy to clean up, soft, comfortable. So check out the side profile here. So it's both great protection, but also super grippy. So when you're trying to teach the kids to really grip the side of the bike, that side profile really helps. Also, this boot has steel shank reinforced. All right, guys, well, we just finished about 4 hours of riding here, Jake and I. We're both absolutely, literally melting, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. It's about 100. So we're gonna call it a day. Jake, what are your final thoughts on the Leatt 3.5?
Really comfortable, really good, really cool, and overall awesome.
Is there anything you don't like about them?
They're a little big, but no.
So we sized up a full size. That's why they're fitting a little bit big. I find Leatt fits a little bit wider in the front toe box.
And that's a good thing.
Yeah, Jake says that's a good thing. Jake's summary, easy on his hands to do up the buckles. Boots in the past, I've had to help him with the boots, and today he did them all by himself, so that was kind of cool. If you liked the video and there was a little bit of value for you guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and join the madness. All right, from Jake and WADZ, peace out.